Hello guys, this is Sunny Kumar from MNC Part 2 and today I will be discussing the second question of the Hacker January Circuit 2021 the GCD function. In this question we have been given an integer n and there is a function fn which is actually the summation of all the GCD values such that GCD of x comma I varies from 1 to n and we have to determine the what will be the maximum value of fn such that we have to also mention what would be the minimum x such that fn will be maximized. Now, first of all, let us understand this question some mathematically. So, let me clear this shit and okay, f of n will be gcd of x comma 1 plus gcd of x comma 2 and it goes like gcd of x comma n. Now, one thing we can notice that GCD of x comma I goes maximum up to either x or either I. So we can assume we can try we would try to approach we would try to make GCD of this x comma 1, GCD of x comma 2 and GCD of x comma n each equal to either 1 plus GCD of x comma 2 would be 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus and goes up to n because we know that GCD of a comma b is always less than equal to minimum of a comma b. So we would try to make GCD of x comma I equal to I. So this would be the maximum fn that we can get. Now to get x would be to get x such that GCD of x comma 1 is must be equal to 1 and GCD of x comma 2 must be equal to 2. GCD of x comma n must be equal to n. For all these we have to choose x such that for all these conditions GCD of x comma I must be equal to I. So x would be lowest common multiple of 1, 2, 3 up to n. So this is the basic logic behind the question. So let us move to the implementation part of this question. So let me bigger the screen size. So you can see that first I have taken the number of test cases and we have to solve and print first the maximum value of fn and then the minimum x for which fn is maximized. So I have called the solve function and passing n as a parameter and for the base case let's write the answer for the base case for n equal to 1 fn will be 1 because gcd of x comma 1 will be 1 for maximum and we will choose minimum x as 1. And now we are calculating the LCM of from 1 LCM of 1 to n and we know that let me write this. We know that product of numbers a into b is equal to product of numbers a into b is equal to LCM of two numbers into HCF of two numbers. So for LCM we can say that LCM will be product of two numbers divided by the highest common factor which is GCD of two numbers. So for I equal to 2 I am going to calculate product of two numbers divided by their greatest common divisor and we are again storing it in a variable. So for continuously for I equal to 1 to n we are going to calculate the LCM part and our Fn will be x in n into n plus 1 upon 2 which would be like which would be like 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus and it goes up to n. So it would be like n into n plus and we are returning x comma x will be the small x will be the maximum value of fn and a will be the LCM of from 1 to n. So it will denote f of n and minimum x. So this would be our answer. The question is simple and if you have any doubts, do please mention in the comment section of the video to let us know what you are facing your doubts and I will ask the viewers to like this video and share this video and do subscribe to our YouTube channel to get our latest updates to latest contest solutions. Thank you for watching this video.